guys, this is it. This was my absolutely first try to ride this bike, and this is our small backyard. I was riding here. Yeah, this is it. I mean, it's brilliant. I love I love riding it, but obviously because I'm not wearing the proper gears, so I can't take it on the road. I don't have the permit for it. I don't have the paperwork. So I have to be very much careful. Obviously the safety comes first. I need to buy a jacket, gloves, shoes. I've got the helmet already. Oh yeah, this clip is gonna be coming out in Ramadan, because Ramadan I will be fasting. I'm not gonna do anything. Ramadan I won't be switching on my cameras. So all this clip which I'm preparing now will be out in Ramadan. There's another clip which I'm gonna go for camping in Petersfield or Petersborough. So I'm gonna camp there for 2 nights, and that clip as well will be coming out in Ramadan. I love you all because you have been supporting me and encouraging me to do all this. If it wasn't you all, I wouldn't be living this life. So I'm really happy. I'm happy that I have come to this far and I've got a bike in my own house. I look forward to riding on the road. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.